we got that right there. Focus. There we go. Wait, I just found out something. I just did a voice reveal. Okay. So we did that. Number 2. It does that. So it grows one. Okay, let's try. Let's do it. Didn't work. So apparently it can only do that, but I'm gonna try. Maybe it can do that. Number 1, dip something in water and then is it this we've got to dip in water? I'm confused. I just think it's only this one that can do the eye thing, and it can't do anything else. But overall, that is cool. Tell me what you guys know and think, and yeah, stay in touch. So yeah, bye. So guys, I've decided to make a video about this. So let's do it. Let's open. Oh geez, I'll be doing this every Friday too. Opening one of these, and let's hope I get a different one. So yeah, let's open this. So we've opened it. Now, I really want a blue. Let's try to get a... Alright, here we go. Nope. And no. So it turns out these are not blues. That is not awesome. There's a yellow one. I don't want that one. I actually didn't notice that, but they're smaller because this is small. Oh, did one just come out? I really want a blue one. I'm not getting one. Oh, yes! Guys, we just got one. And I didn't jinx it. Opposite. That's the total opposite of jinx. Talking about blue, I already got one. Yes, let's do it. That was caught on camera as well. Okay, let's try to get another blue. So I don't think that was another blue to get. Well, there is, but I don't think I'm going to get one right now because it's not really thingy. So these are very small. I rate this 9 out of 10. And I rate this, You guys at home, you decide. Because I don't really know what to rate this. But yeah. Yeah. So let me know if you want me to do some other videos like this other than Friday every week. So yeah. Bye guys.